When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal, windows are often overlooked in favor of landscaping or a fresh coat of paint. However, upgrading your windows can dramatically transform the appearance of your home, while also improving functionality and energy efficiency. In Orangeburg, where homes are exposed to varying weather conditions and architectural styles abound, replacing old windows with modern designs can make a lasting impression. Here's how window replacement can enhance your home's exterior and elevate its curb appeal. Aesthetic transformation. Windows are one of the most prominent features of your home's exterior. Outdated, mismatched, or damaged windows can detract from the overall appearance, no matter how well maintained the rest of your property is. Replacing your windows gives you the opportunity to match your home's style. Choose windows that complement your home's architecture, whether it's a classic Southern design, a modern structure, or a cozy craftsman style. Upgrade to stylish frames. New frames in materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood add a polished look that enhances the overall aesthetic. Incorporate unique designs. Bay windows, picture windows, or decorative grids can add visual interest and character to your home. Modern window designs come in various colors, finishes, and configurations, allowing you to customize a look that makes your home stand out. Improved first impression. Curb appeal is all about creating a strong first impression, whether for visitors, neighbors, or potential buyers. Replacing old, faded, or damaged windows can instantly refresh your home's appearance. Clean and modern look. New windows provide a sleek, updated appearance that signals your home is well maintained. Uniformity. Consistent window styles across your home create a harmonious design that's visually pleasing. Better visibility. Modern windows often feature larger panes and narrower frames, letting in more light and offering a clearer view. Even a small investment in window replacement can make your home more inviting and attractive from the street. Enhanced energy efficiency. While curb appeal is the focus, energy efficiency is an added bonus that can indirectly improve your home's value and marketability. Modern technology. Replacement windows often come with double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames to reduce energy loss. Lower utility bills. Energy-efficient windows keep your home cooler in Orangeburg's hot summers and warmer during cooler months, reducing energy costs. Eco-friendly appeal. Environmentally conscious buyers are drawn to homes with energy-efficient upgrades, further enhancing the perceived value. Not only do these windows look great, but they also show that your home is equipped with modern, sustainable features. Increased property value. Curb appeal plays a crucial role in determining property value. Window replacement is one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make to increase your home's resale value. ROI. New windows often provide a high return on investment, making them a smart choice for homeowners planning to sell. Buyer appeal. Potential buyers are more likely to be impressed by homes with attractive, well-maintained windows. Lower maintenance costs. Modern windows are designed to last longer and require less upkeep, which is a selling point for prospective buyers. Protection against Orangeburg's climate. In a region like Orangeburg, where hot summers, humidity, and occasional storms are common, Windows must do more than just look good, they must perform well. Durability. Modern replacement windows are made from materials like vinyl and fiberglass that resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in extreme conditions. Storm protection. Impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames provide added security and protection against harsh weather. Low maintenance. Weather-resistant materials ensure your windows stay beautiful with minimal effort, maintaining your home's curb appeal for years to come. Greater design flexibility. Window replacement allows you to explore a variety of styles that can elevate your home's exterior design. Some popular options include picture windows, ideal for framing outdoor views while adding a sleek, modern touch. Bay and bow windows. These add depth and dimension, creating a dramatic focal point for your home's facade. Casement windows. A practical choice with a streamlined design that complements contemporary homes. Custom shapes. Unique, custom-shaped windows can give your home a distinct, personalized look. Each style offers a chance to reimagine your home's appearance and create a design that reflects your taste. Conclusion. Invest in your home's future. Replacing your windows in Orangeburg isn't just about improving functionality. It's an investment in your home's curb appeal, value, and overall charm. Modern windows offer endless customization options, ensuring your home's exterior is as beautiful as it is efficient and durable. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a refreshed look, upgrading your windows is a smart and impactful choice. Work with a trusted local professional to find the perfect replacement windows for your home and enjoy the benefits of improved aesthetics, comfort, and value. Make your home the envy of the neighborhood with stylish, durable replacement windows tailored to Orangeburg's unique climate and architectural styles.